part of speech that we use in our day-to-day talk. So let's see the prepositions, definition of preposition. Preposition is a word or a phrase that is used before noun or pronoun to show relationship between one person, thing, event or other words in the sentence. Means preposition shows the relationship of the persons, things, events to another word, and we normally use preposition in front of or before a noun phrase, pronoun or gerund. For example, before the noun, preposition plus noun. Usually, normally we use preposition in front of noun. It's before the noun. Adi is the noun and to is the preposition. Means here preposition plus noun. It is preposition plus adi is noun. Preposition plus noun. Preposition plus pronoun. Him is the pronoun and to is preposition. Preposition plus pronoun. Here we are used before the noun. Adi is a noun. Him is a pronoun. Before to is pronoun. Before used before the to is the preposition that is used before the pronoun him. Now preposition plus gerund. Preposition to plus reading or gerund. Reading gerund. Preposition plus gerund to reading. Okay. Now prepositions can be of three types. Three types of prepositions. First is simple prepositions. Simple prepositions means that is by, at, for, to, in, on, under and etc. So many prepositions are there. Second is compound preposition, that is combination of two words. That's why we call them compound preposition. For example, behind, within. If we observe that with plus in, within, inside, that is the combination of two words. That's why it is called compound prepositions. Then phrase preposition. Phrase means group of word. Is this full group of word is one preposition. That's why we call them phrase preposition. By means of, in place of, in front of, instead of. These are the phrase prepositions that one phrase we use as a preposition. Now next is use of some prepositions. First is about. It is about 7 o'clock. Means here about denotes the time. It is about 7 o'clock. About denotes the time. Second example is he wrote a book about corruption in high places. In this sentence, about denotes on the subject of. About corruption of high places means on the subject of. Third is I cannot do anything about it now means in connection with. I cannot do anything in connection with it now. Here about means in connection with, means in the different sentences about is used in the different meaning. Second preposition is above. There was a fan hanging above his hand. Above means here over or higher than. Second example is he spends above his means more than. He spends more than his means above his means. Third preposition is across. My house is across the river means across denotes here opposite side of. My house is opposite side of river. Second, the light fell across the street from one side to other side the street. Here in the second sentence, across denotes the one side to another side. Third is the film became popular across the country. In every part of place. in every part of country. Across the country means in every part of country. Fourth is after. Fourth preposition after. I will call you after the meeting. After means following something in time. After the meeting means following something in time. In the second sentence, after maths, science is my favorite subject. Means following something in a list. After maths, science is my favorite subject. Fifth preposition is against. He is leaning against a wall. Here, against means opposition of place. Second, I am against the proposal. Means opposition of aim. Means I am opposite of the proposal. I am against the proposal. Now, along. Next. Next preposition is along. The road went along the railway track in the same line with. Along means in the same line with. He walked along the river's bank in the same line with. Here both a same meaning, along. Seventh is among. Distribute the sweets among the children in the midst of more than two. Means where the more than two things, there we use among. For example, there is a mango among the leaves. Next is at. She is not at home now. At, place. Here in the first sentence, at denotes the place. In the second, I was there at 4 o'clock. At. Here at denotes the time. Third, he is very good at maths. Means she is skillful or successful in the subject. At maths means in that particular subject. Ninth preposition, before. She reached the venue before me. Means earlier than somebody. Something. Before me means earlier. Second sentence, a bleak prospect lies before him. Means facing somebody in the future. Before him means in the facing somebody in the future. Third, a giant stood before him. Means in front of him. A giant stood before him. 10th preposition, I turned to speak to the man behind me. At or toward the back. Behind, toward the back. Second sentence, Rohan is always behind the rest of class in the maths. Means not as successful as. Means he is always behind. Means he is not as successful as other students. 11. Beside. The boy was standing beside his mother by the side of. Beside का meaning इस sentence में by the side of. Second, his argument was beside the point. Means out of the point or irrelevant of the point. 12th, besides. Beside and besides both are different. He plays hockey besides cricket and football. Besides cricket and football means in addition to. Means he plays hockey, in addition he plays cricket and football. There we have to use besides. 13 number, between. He was torn between two options. In middle of two. Here the meaning of between is in middle of two. 14 number, by. Come and sit by me. Come and sit by me. By means place, near me. He gets up always by 5. Here by denotes time. Third, she came by car, agency or means. What is the means? of she travel? She travel by car. She came by car. That agency or means. 15. For. A meeting is arranged for 18th May. It is time for 18th May. Here for denotes time. Second, boil the milk for 10 minutes. Here duration, time duration. How much time? 10 minutes. Third, he was sent to jail for murder. Reason. Why he sent to jail? For murder. For is the reason or cause. Meaning of for is reason or cause. Fourth, she was aiming for a medal. Means object or aim. 16 number, from. He has come from a small town. From, location. He is from small town. Second, you can start work from today. Time, from today. That from denotes the time. She is from France. Origin or belonging. We usually says that she belongs to USA, she belongs to Wales, she belongs to India. Like that, she is from France, she is from India, like that. Fourth, he walked from one end to the other. Means starting point, from one end. From denotes the starting point. Now, 17 number, in. He is not in the house. Location. He is not in the house. In indicates the location. He will be fine in a few days. In a few days. In denotes the time in the second sentence. Third, teacher are 12 months. There are 12 months in a year. Containing means a year contain 12 months containing. Fourth one is I read it in a book at a point within. In a book at a point within. Within a book I read in a book. 18 number 18, into. He put his hands into the box. To a position in. Into a box. के अंदर ऐसे मीनिंग से अगर हम यूज़ करते हैं तो into the river, into the sea, into the pond. Many of his books have been translated into English, showing a change of state. Showing a change of state. That is change in English, into English. That's showing a change of state. 19 number preposition, of. She is a woman of strong will. Of strong will. Of denotes a quality. She is woman of strong will. He published a book of short stories. Here it means contents. What is the contents of that book? That short stories, of short stories. The shoes are made of leather material, made of leather. He joined the tail end of the queue. Here position, tail end, last end. Number 20, on. He put the box on the table. Here on denotes the place or surface on the table. I plan to leave on Monday. On Monday, that on denotes the time. He spoke for an hour on the subject concerning. Means he spoke for an hour on the subject. Here on indicates the concerning. 21, over. Rice is grown all over India. Location, all over. Second sentence, the delivery may take over 2 weeks. Time, over, denotes time. The plane flew over the mountain. higher than. Over the mountain is higher than. Here over means higher than. 22. Since. I haven't met him since Thursday last. From some point of past time. Since. Some point of past time. 23. To. I am going to the bank. Place. I am going to the bank. To the bank denotes the place. It is only 2 weeks to your birthday. It is only 2 weeks to your birthday. That here 2 denotes the time. Third sentence. She walked to the booking counter. Direction. To the booking counter means here this 2 denotes the direction. 24. Under. He put his bag under the table. Position below. Under the table. Here that under indicates the position. She studies the creatures living underwater. Underwater. Below the surface. 25. Up. Suddenly a lizard ran up the wall to a higher position. Up the wall. Up the wall, that up denotes the higher position. Her office is just up those stairs. In higher position. Just up those stairs. Number 26. With. The girl is in the kitchen with her mother. In the company. With her mother. Here this with denotes the company. He was shot with a pistol. Instrument or method. By which instrument he was shot with a pistol. Third. He has been down with fever. Cause. He has been down with fever. Cause of his illness. She saw a man with a long beard having possessing. They came with lethal weapons. They came with lethal weapons. Means carrying. They carrying lethal weapons. Here this with means they are carrying. That is the meaning. Now these are the prepositions that you have to refer page number 19, 20 and 21 for these prepositions. Now phrase prepositions, that in the beginning I told you some phrase prepositions are there. Some 2-word phrase prepositions and their meanings, that is given on the page number 22. Okay. As to, that means about. Near to, that means almost doing something or almost at a particular state. Owing to, because of something. Prior to, before. Like this list of 2-word phrases, 2-word phrase prepositions is given here, that you have to study yourself and you have to use that 2-word preposition in your own sentences. And also some 3-word phrase prepositions also given here, means by means of, means with the help of, in addition to. The meanings also given here. 3-word prepositions, 3-word phrase prepositions also given on the page number 22. So I hope you understood these prepositions. If you have any difficulty, you can call me. You have to solve this activity which is given on the page number 22, 23, 24 also. So thank you. Stay home. Take care.